Hello everyone, welcome here. FAQs for this course. Let's see a step-by-step process. We are going to be discussing what FAQs you need. What do I need before learning this course? A basic computer with operating system which you are comfortable, Mac, Linux or Windows. Choose any one. Is there any source code provided for this course? Yes. All the source code what we are going to be discussing related to the lecture, we are showing the source code and writing the code to take a notes for yourself. The source code will be shown on the lectures. Any computer requirements for this course? Yes, basic computer which is internet connected. For video lectures play and see and take the notes and practice a real world exercises for your local development environment. Wish you good luck. I'll see you at the course. Thank you.